Understanding report format in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the term report format. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious about English, this video will clarify what a report format is and how it's used in various contexts. A report format refers to a structured way of presenting information, typically used in business, academic, or professional settings. It's a systematic arrangement of data and analysis to convey specific information to a targeted audience. The key components include a title, introduction, body, conclusion, and sometimes references or appendices. Understanding this format is crucial for effective communication in formal settings. In this section, we'll break down the essential elements of a report format. Title: a clear, concise statement of the report's topic. Introduction: provides background information, sets the context, and states the purpose or objectives. Body: this is the main section, where the information or analysis is detailed. It's often divided into subsections. Conclusion: summarizes the findings or results, and may include recommendations. References, appendices, if applicable, lists sources used and provides additional material. Report formats are widely used in academic research, business analysis, and professional communication. They help in organizing information logically and clearly, making it easier for the reader to understand and follow. In academic settings, it's essential for presenting research findings. In business, it's used for project reports, financial analyses, and more. Effective report writing involves being clear and concise, organizing information logically, using formal language, ensuring accuracy and reliability of data, proofreading for grammar and spelling errors. I hope this video has been informative and helpful in understanding the report format in English. Remember, mastering this format can significantly enhance your communication in professional and academic settings. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.